Well, there's lots going on this morning here in our shipping yard, very busy. And on the back of this wagon I've spotted these wonderful Dianthus, and in particular this little one here that only grows about 6 or 8 inches high, and this is called Dianthus Cherry Vanilla, part of the Fruit Punch series. Introduced by proven winners, as you see, each of the flowers is really unique. When you look in, you'll see that they have this ruffled flower with crinkly edges to the petals, and also this little intricate white pattern to the edge of each of the petals. Now, I love this variety for several reasons. Not only has it got this interesting and attractive floral pattern, but if you look at these plants, you'll see how that as they grow, it's producing new buds from deep inside the crown that grow up and give a new tier of flowering. That means that when you grow it in a bed or a border, a window box, a pot, whatever it is, it'll keep on flowering. So you can go through, trim off some of the old flower heads when they're going over, and it will keep on producing new flower bud from inside the plant. From proven winners, this is Dianthus Cherry Vanilla.